What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford Super Duty remote key fob. So this is going to be for the Ford Super Duty trucks that have a push button start ignition, and it'll cover the F250, F350, F450, all the way up to the F550. It's going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this notch right here that the end of my key's on. What I'm going to do is take my key and stick it in this notch like this, make sure it's as far in as it can go. Then I'm going to angle it up and push up on this back cover and pop that back cover off of there, and that can take a good amount of pressure to pop that off. Once we get that cover off, we see our battery right here, and for this part I'm going to grab a small screwdriver, or even something like with a point on it will work. It just needs to fit in this notch right here, and I'm going to get under the edge of the battery, under the bottom of it, and pop it up out of that holder. Get the old battery out, then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, the positive side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck that outer edge in first like that, then pop it down into place. Then I'll grab my cover, and you can see there's this little tab right here on the top of that cover. What I'm going to do is tuck that tab in first like that, and then snap the cover down, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.